But I can't see why that peg is there.
I don't know. I didn't do it. I just wanted to tell a story about Booker.
It's a good story.
It's a good story, right?
Yeah.
I can do another one.
Okay.
Give me another game. I can explain it very well.
Breath of the Wild.
Oh, I haven't played that at all.
Oh, it's game.
Okay, so what I saw was the end of that story mode. So I'll tell that.
Okay.
Link eats a bunch of things from the forest, and then he bakes things out of nothing without an oven, and it's a perfect cake, and he eats it. And then he goes and he beats up a bunch of rolling rocks that are after him, and then he goes, "Hey, Epona, I want to go somewhere." So they go somewhere, and then he's like, "I want to fight Ganondorf," and there was a bunch of lava, and Ganondorf was like, "Wah!" And he was like, "Yeah!" And he goes, "Wah!" And he goes, "Yeah!" And then they fight, and there's more magma and stuff, and then it ends, and Zelda goes, "Hello, I'm British. Link, you defeated Ganondorf. Now we can all live happily ever after and watch the sunset. Have I mentioned that I'm British and no one's paying attention to the storyline at all because they're all distracted by the fact that I am British?" And he's like, "Yeah!" And then it ends.
Yeah?
The end.
That's a good, yeah. Pretty good.
Thank you.
Okay, so there's one mention of that peg like on the last page.
It's a real peg.
If it needs to be tapped in or something.
I think you should name it Pegasus.
Pegasus.
Or Peggy. I like the name Peggy. I think I'm going to switch to my computer because my arm's tired.
I told you I have my gimbal.
Your wow whiteboard. But then it won't be broken either. First you fall down, then you fall back up again. Find your rhythm, momentum is the key. It's so easy, anyone can trampoline, so keep it up and you can see the whole wide world. Where's my computer?
So this is the gimbal. So you put the camera in here, balance it, and then you turn it on, and then it'll automatically...
Gimbal for you? Wow!
Well, it's free mode. It's off right now, but it'll pretty much stay like that wherever.
That's amazing.
You can move it like that. So instead of holding it like that, you can hold it like this.
Wow, that's pretty cool.
And you can set it on a flat surface and it shouldn't fall down. Cool, huh?
That is fancy.
Fancy.
So
if we want to use that.
I want to use my computer.
Okay, you can use that too.
Okay.
I'm not saying you have to. Your computers,
Somewhere. These are really good cupcakes.
Oh, he has to come back.
Yeah. Not really. He could be like, "You need things in your apartment." Can I play Danganronpa yet?
Do you want to?
No. Poor Keith.
Came over for a party and I came in. Yeah, it's actually a party of one.
Hey, I'm here.
Yeah, you're the party of one. So that song had that weird... There's like one part in that song which I don't like. It's like this... Yeah.
Huh?
I'm missing a screw.
No. Not allowed.
Well, it's not... It won't be terrible, but...
What song has a weird thing?
Fancy.
What about it?
Yeah.
Do you not fancy you? Hey, I love you. Do you not fancy you? 'Cause I need you. What fancy you? Blah,
Is that another song you know?
No, not really. Okay, I'm gonna switch the thing. I did it. That was easy. Yay!